Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So right now there's a problem in the house, right? Angel and Sammy's chicken have been stolen, and guess what? It is 7 pieces of chicken.
Put it back in the freezer. So it's not, and he told me that, and I'm thinking, I can't blame him for not knowing. Exposure is very key. You cannot know what they're doing.
Hey, I heard your 7 chicken is missing.
Yeah.
So we see Sammy coming to ask Angel, where did you put the chicken, right? Sammy and Angel, they wanted to eat chicken, right? And they couldn't find the chicken in the fridge. So Sammy was asking Angel, what's up with the chicken? When you removed it, how did you drop it, right? And she told him that, she brought out the chicken, she took what she wanted to take, and she put it somewhere. And then they couldn't find the chicken in the freezer. Now, remember the fact that these guys survive on their weekly Bbnaija. And of course, everybody has the right to buy whatever they want with their money. And right here, we see that this chicken is missing, and Cross also isn't taking it lightly because he came to meet Angel to ask her for the information leading to the loss of her chicken.
When was the last time you saw it?
Sammy took some out. He took his share. The remaining 7 is supposed to be mine, but it's missing.
So when was the last time you saw it?
That was the day before yesterday.
So do you know who fried chicken yesterday? I know the boys did.
The boys, plenty people fried chicken. Nini, they were consistently eating chicken. I'm just probably they bought.
JMK, did you? Okay, so you say Nini, who else? The boys?
The boys.
Cross then went to the house, and of course he wanted to investigate the chicken matter. And then we saw Queen call Cross to the side and say, Cross, what's up? I know the people that fry chicken in this house. These people are the people that eat chicken in this house.
1, Angel fried chicken, Sammy fried chicken, Nini and Sada always frying chicken.
And I've gone to meet them and they have cross-checked all their chicken. It seems like it's complete.
As I said, that's what we tell the truth. Should that be the middle class fried chicken every single day? You understand? And then one more, rolls and
Which kind of madness be this one? 7 chicken.
In the long run, Cross just said, you know what? If you're a thief in this house, make sure that we don't catch you because we're going to throw you out of this house. Did you tell Big Brother that you were a thief when you were coming for auditions?
Anyway, I don't talk about if they catch you, they see. We can change that for you. Which kind of rubbish be that? All of us, we one family here. No, they still person team now. Now money when the person they use the buyer. For your audition, you don't say the thief. Cross rest. Now, crew, now if for your audition, you don't say we be thief. We will not say you be thief. Please,
Moving on to my next gist, Angel is saying that some housemates are being judgmental because there are some funny jokes coming from the ladies to her in the house. And because she's a free-spirited person, most of the ladies in the house see her as a weird person.
The jokes in this house, especially coming from other women, are said because they put themselves at a higher level of what they interpret as self-respect because of their own moral compass.
Trust me,
they make the joke.
Half of them want to do it.
It's why when Sammy slut-shamed me, it was bare women laughing.
She went ahead to say that it was the ladies who were laughing at her when Sammy slut-shamed her back then when they were having their issues. As JMK also went ahead to say that most of the ladies want to do what Angel is doing, but they do not have the balls to do so.
Half of them want to do it, they just wish they had the balls.
Exactly.
That's why me, I'm like,
I think that's what it is, man. People want to do it, but they really can't do it.
They just wish they had the balls.
It was bare women that laughed when he slut-shamed me, and I'm thinking, if that was another woman in the same situation, no way in fucking hell that I would hear
what's slut-shaming? You're not fucking anything, you're not doing anything.
So last night, Angel and Sammy were having a conversation, and during that conversation, Angel said that Sammy was telling her that she has kissed about 80% of the guys in the house, and she was telling Sammy that, so what, I don't owe you shit, and in the long run, I can kiss whoever I want to kiss.
They're just acting so immature.
He's like that, I've kissed 80% of the guys in this house, and I'm like, yes, I don't owe you shit, bruh. Like, if you want to kiss everybody.
Why is Sammy putting himself in those positions to be acting tough? Why, Angel is just vibing, chilling. Angel's not doing shit.
Can if you have fucked now, I'll be like, okay, fair enough.
She went ahead to say that she has only kissed people during the Truth or Dare game, and of course we'll see her kissing people sometimes at the jacuzzi party and all of that. And guess what? She said that most of these housemates have forgotten that this is a reality TV show.
And the truth of the matter is, I even told him yesterday, I'm like, I haven't kissed any guy in this house.
Apart from games.
Apart from games and you. and J-Paul and Cross. And Cross was just yesterday. J-Paul was just yesterday.
Cruise, man.
Aside that, like, did I come, like, it's a show.
Yeah.
I think people are forgetting that it's reality TV.
Them.
Like,
that's why when people bring their
show.
feelings into some certain things that are not supposed to, Angel is just chilling. You just chill like, Angel's not doing shit. What's he doing?
And I've told him, I'm like,
he's not like...
JMK went ahead to say that Sasuke is one of the people who makes jokes in the house. And guess what? You remember the video I showed you yesterday that Sasuke was telling Peace about the kissing spree with Angel, JMK, to Boma Cross, and J-Paul.
You come in now, this guy's fucking up. You
Even
go, you come back,
Sasuke
another guy's
shows-
fucking up.
At the lounge, you can tell when people are judging you. It's so obvious. Then they don't even try to hide it.
that's the
Then they
that's
now
what I'm
make
saying.
they now make
That's why
like
they now
silly
make
jokes.
They make snide jokes.
True.
And
Very
it's like, what the
judgmental
fuck
set
are
of
you
people.
doing? Like,
They went to go meet Boma, but then kissed them by the time when they finished, they went to meet Cross. They went back to Japan. Now it's my just they do. Interesting. They won't try to queen. Come and join us.
Angel now finally said that, you know what, she isn't afraid of the outside world, she isn't scared of whatever anybody's saying outside of the house, that she can kiss anybody in the house and continue to be friends with them even outside of the house, as there will be no strings attached.
some people are scared about the outside world, the dragging, all of that. That's fine. Mine is, if it's bare women that want to do it, you cannot come and be making snide jokes. Like, you have your option.
Like, stop being
Nobody's choosing
judgmental.
Me,
That's
I have my
fine.
option.
Yes,
if my option is, I'm fucking free-spirited as fuck. I can kiss every guy in this house and keep it pushing. We'll be friends.
Yes, no.
And it's people acting like outside of truth or dare that I'm in there. Bruh,
Even if you're in
zero.
there, I kiss you, no mean say anything.
Finally on this gist, I'll show you a video of where Angel brought the ring Boma forgot on her bed to him on the dining where the boys were.
Straight to bed.
I feel like when we drink is when our real normal self comes.
Only criminals are waking up.
That's not correct. That is not correct.
Yes, please, I was looking for it.
Wow.
I want to understand how complaining
And that's it on my short gist. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bells, and guess what, you get notified whenever I post a video. Go on all social media platforms, on Facebook, Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at Femi Daniel. Until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.